Action! Hi, Jackson.
Hi,
That's my name?
Greg.
Oh, you can call me Dad. So today we're trying to think of what to draw. We're thinking laptop, then we're thinking police car, then we're thinking cat.
No, we were thinking a frog and then a cat.
Oh, and then
so
we're thinking of
we
frog.
decided a cat.
We decided on a cat?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so we're gonna draw a cat. So should we get going?
Yeah.
Okay. So the first thing I'm gonna do on the cat is draw a little triangle up here kind of towards the top. It's going to be an upside down triangle because this is going to be his nose. Okay, now I'm going to do his eyes. I'm going to keep his eyes really simple. You ready? 1, 2. Next, I'm going to do his little smile, which is basically a U on that side.
Almost like a J.
And a U on this side. And then to give him a little cheek, I just do that and that.
Wait 1 second.
Yeah. And then I'm going to give him 3 whisker spots, kind of like in a triangle on each side. You can really be creative and do your own style too. Then I'm going to do his, what should we do next? I think I'll start with his
ears? Or why don't we do like a line coming down here for his face?
Okay.
Same on that side.
Okay.
Good.
Oh, you're doing an ear already?
Mm-hmm. And you can connect his head between.
Oh, I like it. I like that ours are different.
Yeah, like yours has a little skinnier face and all of it.
Can we do whiskers?
Yeah.
I'm just going to do 1, 2, and then 3, 4.
So there should be like one dot of that.
Now, let's do their body. So what I'm going to do for the body, I'm going to make his body start. I'm going to make his
You should
legs.
do like his feet.
I'm going to do his legs. I'm just going to do a line. Runs about here, down to almost the bottom of the page.
Oh, that's the long.
Okay. Then I'm going to do another line that's kind of going to come down like this.
It gets skinnier, closer to the bottom.
Yes, exactly. Good. And then another line that does kind of the same thing. And then I'm going to give him his feet. Just real simple little feet. 1.
They choose.
And then 2. I'm going to give him his little finger lines. 1, 2 on each side.
Or I'm going to do 3.
Okay. And then this is going to be his body part. Now, I'm seeing yours, it's not directly under your
Chin.
head. But that's okay because you can make him sitting back here. Now watch what I'm going to do. I'm going to start my line about right there. And I'm going to have it come down in a big shape like that. I'm not going to go all the way. Like that.
Same on the other side?
Nope, we're not going to do the same on the other side because we're
so
just
he's
going to
like
have him sitting to the
that
side.
way.
And then this one's just going to come down and meet the top of his arm there. Perfect.
You should do his tail.
Want to do a tail? Let's do a tail. Now this is a short hair cat, so he's not going to be very hairy.
I'm just going to give him a leg.
Okay, well, wait, because I want to do the back leg in that area.
Okay.
So the back leg's going to sit like, come up like this, like a 2. Can you do a 2? Almost all the way, and then you want to make his leg come out on the 2 part. There you go. And then I'm going to do his little foot there and put 2 feet there. I mean 2 toe lines there is what I'm trying to say. And then on the other side, I think I'm going to have, I'm just going to leave it like that. I think it looks good.
I'm just good. Can I have some fur?
You can have fur, yeah, of course.
I'm going to give him like pink cheeks.
Okay, when we color, we'll do pink cheeks. I'm going to give mine little stripes down the tail. I think I might do him like a little shape on his back.
I'm going to give mine a spot.
Oh, you're going to give him a spot eye? Okay. I've seen those
Like
before.
our bunny.
Oh, yeah. Very true.
There's a black spot on his eye.
Okay, so now we can color it in, and you guys can color the way you want. One thing I'm going to do before I color it in is just put them on the floor. So what I do is I make a floor kind of like where the bottom of the floor line is behind him a little bit.
Like the horizon line?
Like, yeah, exactly, like the horizon line. So I'm just going to run a line there, and I'm going to lift my pen, keep going with the line. That's exactly it. And now we're going to color. So we do fast motion coloring on this video, so you can follow along that way and do your own colors, or you can do our colors. It's up to you.
And you can pause the video. See it.
You can
copy ours.
You can pause the video anytime throughout the whole video, and you can go back and redo it if you want. Okay, so let's get coloring. Done. I like your tail colors. I've never seen a blue tail on a cat, but that's what makes art great. So thanks, guys. See you later for the next drawing.
Bye.
Bye.